First, all classes gather at the assembly area for a ceremony. The student leader organizes everyone. And then we lower the national flag. After that, we say goodbye to our teachers. Finally, the duty teacher lines us up and we leave the school. Some students go home, while others go to the childcare center until their parents finish work. What about your school?